Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and transfer your money Walmart to Walmart. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So there are some reasons, some things that you have to make sure of and the access to. First of all, you can go to Walmart store directly, or you can simply go to Walmart app. You can get it from your Google Play Store. You can see in this kind of, the app will look like this, and in my case I do not have access that is available in my region, so I cannot get that app over here. Once you get this Walmart to Walmart app, you have to make sure that you're at least 18 years old, government issued identifications you have verified, and your recipients matches the ID as well, and make sure you know the location of your receivers. Afterwards, then what you're going to do, you're simply going to go ahead, open your mobile app, or you can go to Walmart store. You can choose the money transfer service, and then you can provide the recipient's details including their name and location precisely. Then you can enter the amount you wish to send for them, and you can select your payment method including cash, debit card. Then you can again recheck your details to confirm it, and then keep the receipt or confirmation for you. Once you have done the transaction, make sure you check the code that will be sent to you if in this app by the Walmart itself in the message form, or if you are in the store, they will give you it in this. You can just like note it down. And then as you can see, there are some things that you have to make sure of in the transfer limit as well. So the limit is a $2,500. You can do that much transfer, and fees depends on how much you're doing, including $4 to $16 according to the how much money you are sending, according to your money range. So that is the way you can simply go ahead, do it like that. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.